Right, we're back, and I have finished all the stenciling. Now this is what it looks like. I know it's hard to see. How about that? There we go. That's very silvery. I don't think it turned out too bad. Right, now the next step is to put our image on, our beautiful birds, spring birds, like that. Can you see that? And then we will Mod Podge the lot. Now I'm just seeing if this is dry enough. Yeah, I think it is. So we'll just place the focal point on here in a way that it all is on. Now these are spring birds, and it's beautiful to have spring birds, especially with a sun catcher. Right, now we're going to Mod Podge, aren't we? Yep, here we go. Now I wasn't, that paint that I used, that silver paint, was a little bit thinner than I liked. It wasn't thick enough. So I'll just put that there. That's a piece of Mod Podge. Actually, I'll pick it up. There we go. Right, now I'm going to use this brush, one of these foam brushes, and I'm going to stick the focal point on. Now I'm just going to Mod Podge it and then stick it down. I've got to come down here a bit more, and here. Alright, that's not too bad there. Maybe a bit more on the tail here. Yep. And now I will put enough Mod Podge over here for the rest of it. Like that. And I don't think you can see. Shocking, sorry. And there we go. Maybe a bit here. Yep, that's good. Okay, now use your finger and get rid of the wrinkles in your image, because it does start to get some wrinkles in it. And if you just use your finger ever so lightly, you'll get most of those wrinkles out. Not all of them, but most of them. Right, I've got that one out. That's good. Right. I think all the other ones feel fine. There might be just a slight one there. I'm not sure whether they're air pockets or it's the paper itself that wrinkles up. So anyway, put a whole coat of Mod Podge on. Oops, put your flower down. There we go. Right, that's not too bad. Right, I like that. can do the edges while you're here, or you can do them later on. I'll just give them a little bit of a go here too, at the same time while I'm here. You work around. It's the beauty of having one of these. You can turn your work around. Right. That's not too bad. Right, I think that's a wrap. Hang on, just check this thing is sticking up a bit. Yep, I think we got it all. It's not too bad. As you can see. See how it's Mod Podged? Right, that's good. Now all we have to do is Mod Podge the back, sorry, and also drill those 2 holes again. I've got the pilot holes there, and then do a little bit of more black edging around here with the marker or paint, and we're finished. And I have to figure out what streams I'm going to use to come down for a tail. So I'll be looking into that. I'm not sure what yet. I'm thinking of a bit of ribbon or lace. I'm not sure just yet. So I'm going to test out a few things that look nice, and then I will put it onto it. So that's what we've got so far. And we'll let that dry, of course. So I'll be back shortly. Okay. Right, here we go. She's virtually done. There she is. As I said, I painted around the edge line a little bit closer to give her that border, that framing of the black with the blue. She has that beautiful stencil on it that's silvery, very shiny, very nice. And then we've got our birds on there, our spring birds. So that is what it looks like. The next step is to put some wire through the bottom and one through the top so I can hang it up, and then some tassels. Now I will do that another time in another video because I have to work on it and find some ribbons or lace or whatever I'm going to put on it. So that's what I'm up to so far. So I'll see you in the next video when I figure out what to use, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.